Section 6, Groups. In this section, we are going to take a look at working in groups using Google Docs, using SurveyMonkey to work in groups, using an interactive web-based whiteboard, Twiddle, embedding Twitter in Moodle, designing a workshop activity in Moodle. Video 1. Working in groups using Google Docs. In this video, we are going to take a look at signing in Google Docs, choosing a template and creating a document in Google Docs, sharing the document, creating a resource in Moodle. We are going to enter Google Docs and we must have an account in order to work with it. As I already have an account, I click to go to Google Docs and I'm going to sign in. So here is my email and my password and I click on Next. If you do not happen to have an account, you need to create one. We are going to choose a template to work with. In this case, as it is a group activity, we are going to work with a book report. So we click on the downwards arrow next to Template Gallery and we're going to go to scroll downwards and we are going to look for a template concerning education. So there are several templates that we can work with. So we are going to choose the one that says book report. We can edit the template that we are going to work with. So in this case, we're going to leave it as it is, but we can change some items of it. So we can also rename it. So we click on File and Rename, and we're going to change the name there. We have written book report group activity. So we are going to click on Share. In this case, this document is only private to me. So if I click on Share, I can write the email of the people who can edit, comment or view. So in this case, I'm going to write can edit. It says get shareable link. So I'm clicking there and I am going to click on anyone with a link can edit. I click on copy link and I am going to click on done. So we have already copied the link. We enter our Moodle course and we choose the weekly outline section or the topic where we want to add the activity or resource. We click on add an activity, we scroll down, we click on URL, we click on add. Have already copied the URL of the file, we are going to paste it in external URL. We are going to complete the name block. We can also add a description and display it on the course page. We can choose the display as automatic or embed. We are going to choose embed here and we are going to scroll down and once we agree with everything, we click on Save and Display. Here is our group activity. So we can work here. As I'm already signed in, there is another person working on this report. The other person is me on another browser. And while I type here, for instance, I'm going to write Jane Brown. There appears that someone is writing here, anonymous. So I've got an anonymous here and I've got Silvina Hiller here, who is me. And when I type in my file, for instance, I'm going to add a name here. While I am typing in the place that I'm signed in, it appears my name here as well. So here I'm appear as anonymous, but when I type, it appears my name.